Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design your Canva with vintage glass antique phone. And here I've already opened my design on the Canva apps. And to start writing the text with vintage glass antique phone, you can just click on the text here, and I'm going to go with a heading. Then here I'm going to just write the text first. For example, okay, and after that let's change the font into vintage glass antique. So click on the text, go to font, and here just find this vintage glass. This is the keyword, and here you can just select this glass antiqua font. Okay, you are done. Now you can modify the text. You can adjust the size, change the color if you want, and also add some style, for example, and you can also change the format. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.